Welcome to Kenton Teaches. Enjoy the video.
You start by being specific. Name the exact battery chemistry and form factor you need and why it matters for compatibility and safety. Once done, inspect existing devices and note size, voltage, and connector to avoid buying the wrong pack. You also prepare safety gear and a clean workspace to handle cells. Make sure to label what you have and what you need. This prevents duplicate orders and speeds up the next step when you source replacements or spares. You focus on suppliers who list chemistry, capacity, and warranty clearly. That's how you avoid counterfeit or mismatched cells. Once you choose a few options, compare unit price, return policy, and shipping time, because a cheap cell that fails is more costly long-term. You order a single sample or small pack first to test fit and performance, and then place larger orders only after verifying voltage, internal resistance, and labeling match your requirements. You finish by installing the new cells carefully, double-checking polarity and connector seating, and then run a controlled test charge and discharge cycle to confirm capacity and temperature stability. Once tested, monitor for at least a few cycles to ensure consistency. If something goes wrong, isolate the suspect cell, swap in the known good sample you ordered earlier, and document voltage, current, and temperature readings. That single troubleshooting step usually reveals whether the issue was batch-related, installation error, or incompatibility.
Thanks for watching. Please subscribe if this video was helpful.